Hi! In front of me is a OPPO Reno 10x Zoom, and today I would like to show you how you can add event to calendar on this device. First of all, you need to choose calendar. Now tap on the month above and pick a date. When you're ready, tap on this plus icon at the bottom right corner and choose event. Then customize it however you wish to. For example, you can add a title, pick starting and ending hour, or tune off this feature completely by tapping on the switcher next to all day. Set up notifications minutes, hours, or weeks before, take notes, and even set up location. When you're ready, just save at the top right corner, and as you can see, my event was successfully added. You can edit it by tapping on it, choosing this pen icon at the top right corner, making your changes, and tapping on save again. You can also delete it by clicking on it, but this time selecting those three dots at the top right corner, choosing delete, and confirming your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!